Hey Fees, welcome to the video. Today I will be making pumpkin bread because it is September, which means that it is time to start making some fall pumpkin spice recipes. But before we get this video started, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell right next to it to be notified every time I post a new video. Now let's get this video started. The things you'll be needing to make the pumpkin bread are 8 tablespoons or 113 grams of unsalted room temperature butter, 1.5 cups or 300 grams of light brown sugar, 1 large egg, half a cup or 125 grams of sourdough discard, 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 2.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of fine sea salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now let's make the pumpkin bread. The first thing you want to do to make the pumpkin bread is preheat your oven to 350 degrees and lightly grease your 9x5 inch loaf pan. Now whisk together your flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and pumpkin pie spice and set it aside. Now take your butter and melt it in a bowl. Now take your melted butter and add in your brown sugar and cream it together using a spatula. Now take your egg, vanilla extract, sourdough discard, pumpkin puree, and orange juice and add it into your butter and sugar mixture. Combine together your wet and dry ingredients and make sure that you don't overmix. Now take your batter for the bread and pour it into your loaf pan and bake it for 55 to 60 minutes.